You know that healthy salad kit in your fridge? Some have more calories than a Big Mac. And the wild part? It's hiding in the produce aisle. The bag says salad, your brain says healthy. But the sugar, oils, and calories, they're packed inside those tiny dressing packets. Once you see how these kits are built, you'll never look at healthy the same way again. Here's the weird thing about salad bags. The healthier the packaging looks, the less people question what's actually inside. You see green colors, pictures of kale, words like fresh, organic, or sunflower crunch, and your brain stops investigating. But most salad bags are not just bags of vegetables. They're packaged meal kits. That's a completely different thing. The lettuce is usually the smallest part of the problem. The real calories are hiding in the dressing, the crispy toppings, the sweetened add-ons, and the little flavor packets designed to make you crave the whole bag. You weren't buying vegetables. You were buying the idea of vegetables, and some brands are much worse than others. Taylor Farms is everywhere. Even if you don't recognize the name, you've probably eaten their products. They're one of the biggest salad producers in America, and their salad bags are built around one thing: flavor, not vegetables. Flavor. Look at the names: Honey Dijon, Buffalo Ranch, Bacon Caesar. Those aren't salad names. Those are fast food flavor profiles sitting on top of lettuce. And here's where it gets deceptive. Most people look at the front of the bag and think, light meal, low calorie, healthy choice. But then the entire bag disappears in one sitting. Because it's salad, it doesn't feel heavy, except a lot of the calories are coming from the packets. The dressing alone can completely change the nutrition profile. Then come the croutons, the cheese, the fried toppings, the sweetened bits. Suddenly, your healthy salad is functioning more like processed takeout. And this is the trick. The produce aisle creates trust automatically. If the exact same ingredients were packaged in the frozen food section, people would judge it completely differently. That's the power of the health halo. The salad wasn't unhealthy because of the lettuce. It became unhealthy because of everything designed to make the lettuce exciting. Dole is one of the smartest branding plays in the grocery store. Because people already trust the name: bananas, pineapple, fruit. Freshness is already attached to the brand emotionally. So when people see a Dole salad bag, their brain assumes the same thing applies. But here's what nobody notices. The trust came from whole fruit, not from processed dressing packets. That's a completely different product. And yet the branding transfers automatically in your head. That's why these salad bags work so well psychologically. The packaging says fresh produce, but the ingredient system says processed convenience food. And this is where the illusion falls apart. A lot of these salad bags are loaded with sweet dressings, crispy toppings, added oils, and sugar-heavy flavor mixes. The lettuce is basically acting like a delivery system. Sounds healthy, right? Until you realize most people are eating the entire bag. And once you add every packet together, the nutrition profile starts looking very different from what people imagined when they grabbed a salad. This isn't fake food. It's fake healthy food. That's the difference. Fresh Express might be the best example of how powerful one word can be. Fresh. That word is doing almost all the work. Because technically, yes, the lettuce is fresh, but the packets inside, that's another story. And this is where people get trapped. The front of the bag creates one emotional expectation. The inside creates another reality. Avocado ranch, twisted Caesar, chipotle again. These are flavor experiences first. Vegetables second. And look how the brain responds to this. People eat a creamy dressing they would normally question. But because it's attached to lettuce, it feels healthier automatically. That's the health halo at work again. The produce aisle is running cover for processed food, and once you notice it, you see it everywhere. Now, to be fair, there's nothing wrong with convenience. That's important. Nobody needs to panic over salad bags. The issue is awareness, because most people think they're buying vegetables when they're actually buying a pre-assembled flavor system. Those are not the same thing. Okay, pause for a second. Notice what all these brands have in common. Different logos, different price points, different marketing, same structure, lettuce plus packets. That's the entire business model. And the packets are where the nutritional story changes completely. Because once oils, sugars, crunchy toppings, and creamy dressings enter the picture, you're not just eating produce anymore. You're eating a processed meal kit that happens to contain produce. That distinction matters a lot. And now the conversation changes completely. because the next brands don't rely on packets at all. This is where things start getting simpler. Earthbound Farm mostly sells greens. Not flavor systems, not meal kits, just greens. And honestly, that alone is already a huge upgrade, because now the nutrition label actually reflects the vegetables themselves, not 4 separate add-on packets. And this creates something most salad bags quietly remove: control. You decide the dressing, you decide the toppings, you decide how much oil or cheese goes into the bowl. That matters more than people realize, because healthy eating usually falls apart when companies pre-build the entire experience for you. Now, important nuance here: bagged greens are still packaged food. They're processed for shelf life, they're washed, sealed, distributed across long supply chains. So this isn't the same as grabbing lettuce from a local farm stand. But compared to salad bags, it's a completely different category. One is mostly vegetables, the other is vegetables mixed into a processed flavor experience. Big difference. Organic Girl succeeds for one simple reason: it stays close to the actual food. That's it. No giant flavor gimmicks, no overloaded packet systems, no pretending to be a restaurant meal, just greens. And weirdly enough, that's become rare, because modern grocery marketing constantly pushes people toward more flavor, more crunch, more sauce, more excitement. But usually, the more exciting the salad becomes, the less it behaves like a salad nutritionally. Organic Girl feels different because the brand gets out of the way. You buy greens, then you build the meal. That's real control. And here's the deeper thing happening psychologically. When companies build the flavor system for you, they also control the calories, the oils, the sugar, and the portions. But when the base is just greens, you become aware again. And awareness changes eating behavior fast. The healthiest foods are usually the least dramatic ones. This is the funniest #1 choice possible, because it's basically just lettuce. That's the point. Simple Truth wins because it doesn't try to turn salad into entertainment. No flavor explosion. No creamy packet system. No processed add-ons pretending to be health food. Just greens. And honestly, that's what most people were trying to buy in the first place. The entire salad bag industry convinced people that plain greens were boring. So companies added sauces, crispy toppings, sweet dressings, and processed extras, then sold it back as an upgraded, healthy experience. But here's the reality. The closer your salad gets to actual vegetables, the healthier it usually becomes. Simple foods are harder to market, but they're usually easier on your body. And this is the part nobody talks about. When you control the dressing yourself, everything changes. Olive oil, lemon, salt, pepper, that's it. Suddenly, the salad actually tastes fresh instead of engineered, and the nutrition stays connected to the vegetables instead of the packets. That's the difference between eating food and eating food marketing. Here's the simplest rule in this entire video. Ask one question: does this bag contain just greens, or does it contain greens plus packets? Because the packets are where the game changes. That's where the hidden calories usually live. The oils, the sugar, the flavor engineering. And again, this isn't about fear. Nobody needs to throw away every salad bag in their fridge. The goal is awareness. That's it. Because once you recognize the trick, you stop confusing healthy branding with actual healthy food. And honestly, that shift alone changes grocery shopping forever. The healthiest looking food isn't always the healthiest food. Sometimes it's just the best marketed one. And once you see that, you can't really unsee it anymore. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe. And next time you're in the produce aisle, flip the bag over. Not the front, the back.